Hi, good morning. Good morning. We have here Papa. Good morning, Papa.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Mary. Pepsi, good morning.
Good
Mary,
morning, teacher.
Okay, bye, Boa. Good morning. And we have Oi is coming. Oi, that is very nice, Pepsi. Is that yours?
Yes.
Mommy give it to you. Mommy give it to you.
Yes.
Hi, Papa. Yeah, you have to prepare now your worksheet.
Okay,
Okay,
worksheet.
you have to prepare your worksheet.
Okay, this.
Okay, prepare your worksheet before we start.
This.
Yes, that's one. This one can. Okay, you have to prepare your worksheet. Please keep on practice writing from 1 up to 100. Yes, this one. Yes. Okay, this is your work. You have, where is your worksheet, Erin and Jepsy and Oi? Is your worksheet ready? Is your worksheet ready? Yes, this one. This one, Marine. Okay. This one, you have to prepare this one first. Yes, this one, Oi. Very good. And Jepsy, is your worksheet ready? Is your worksheet ready, Gypsy? Okay, very good. Okay, now let us start. I prepared this one for you.
ไปเป็นเหมือนเดิมแล้ว
เอานี่นะเกินไว้ให้นี่นะ
Okay, so
ดินสอหนูยางลบหนูที่ไหนคะ
คือในนี้ครับ
Okay, welcome again to our math class. I can see you all. Okay, now practice counting. Okay, you still we are still kept on practice counting, right? From 1 up to 100. Okay, keep practice writing from 1 up to 100. Oh, okay, so you can familiar already about counting, identifying the numbers from 1 up to 100. Okay, keep learning, keep practice writing. Okay, this is our topic for today. But before we go on further, I want you first to listen to this one. This is a very nice video. Okay? I will just do okay. No, it's okay. Let's continue. Let's continue. Okay. Continue. Okay. Yeah. That is a very nice video. Okay. That is a very nice.
I'll eat.
Very. Okay, look at this one. I prepared this one. Okay, let us continue to our topic now.
Yes, sure.
So are you answering now your worksheet?
Teacher, me finish all.
Finish all?
Yes.
Oh, very good. My Boa finished.
And me finish all.
Also, Gypsy. Okay, very good. Erin, are you still answering? And Papa?
I write.
Okay. And I want to know who is this? Who is this one? Erin.
จากเดิมเราเสียการอุบัติเหตุ350 บาทต่อเดือนถูกไหมคะ
Is this? Gypsy. Oh, Proud. Is this Proud? Erin, who is this Erin? Papa, you want this one, Papa?
นำมาเก็บเพิ่มอีกวันละ10 บาทคือโดยเฉลี่ยประมาณ320 บาทเพิ่มนั่นก็คือความคุ้มครองที่เพิ่มขึ้นในสุดแล้ว
Papa, who is this Papa?
นี่จะเห็นกันด้วยชิ้นหนึ่ง
อันนี้คือเล่มใหม่มาอีก
Proud?
อ๋อตัวนี้เป็นสุข
The
ภา
one
พ
who is wearing the striped shirt.
ถามไง
Papa, you know who
ใคร
is
ได้
this
ป่วยทีละ
Papa?
สามที่มาได้เลย
You know who is this?
อะไร30
You know who is this?
เออ
Marine?
งั้นไม่เอาอะค่ะ เพราะว่าตรงนี้เรามี
Marine, Papa?
teacher.
This one, you know who is this one?
ไม่ค่ะ ไม่ค่ะ ไม่ค่ะ
Okay, that's one. Very good. Yes. Is this Proud? Aim, Freya? Is this Proud? Okay, you have to start answering with me your worksheet. Okay, you have to worksheet this one. Still, you have to practice counting from 1 up to 100. Okay. Okay, now let us start. Fill in the missing number. Okay, we have to fill in the missing number in here.
ทำไมลบทำไมเขียนอย่างนั้น
So
ล่ะ
you need to help me count from 1 up to 100. Okay, and let's spell this one together. 41. Next is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7, and then we have here 8, 9, 10. Okay, 11, and the next is
อะไร10
12. Very good. 12, and then 13, 14, and then we fill in here 15. Okay, 15, and then 16, 17, 18. And the next is 19. Very good. Okay, next is 20. Okay, now let's go to 21, 22. Then next is here. Next is 22. Then 20. 23. Very good. Look at here first. Let us answer this one together. Okay, 24, 25, 26, 27. Right? Papa, Marine? Okay, Gypsy, count here first. You already finished answering.
ครูถามแล้วจะได้ตอบ
Webawa, 28, 29, 30. Okay, this is how you fill in. To those who are not finished yet, this is what you are going to do, okay? You have to fill in the missing number. Here is 40. What's the next number here? 40. And then we go to 41. And then next is?
42.
Okay, 42. Very good. Next is 44. And then is 45. Okay. And then we have a 46. 47, 48, okay?
91, 92.
Okay, very good. Now the fingers, 61,
ถามไม่ได้คะแนนไม่กลัว
60, and then next, Papa?
94.
61,
ถึงไหนแล้วดู
62, 58, 62. Okay, then 63, 65, 66, 67, 69, 70. Okay, 70.
ถึงไหน
Then 70. Next.
71, 72, 73.
Okay, 73. And the next. Next.
74,
77. Yeah. And then let's go.
78,
Okay.
79, 80.
Yes. Let's go to 81. Yes, 81.
81, 82,
Yes.
84, 85,
85. Okay.
84,
86.
88,
7. And you want to one is next is 93. Very good. Next, 94.
95.
Okay. 96. Okay, very good.
97. 98. 99. 100. 100.
Very good. Okay, this is your second round in our writing numbers 1 up to 100. Okay, you are all very good, K3. Excellent. Okay, I am so happy for you. Okay, Marin is very good. Now let us go to spelling. Spelling, let us spell the number words. Okay, you know this one? You know who is this?
100.
You know who is this? You know this princess?
ดังๆสิ
Elsa.
Elsa. Is this Elsa? Okay, this
นี่
is
ภาษาอังกฤษ
Elsa.
ยายรู้เขาเคยเขียนภาษาอังกฤ
Elsa
ษ
will help us.
ไม่ต้อง
Elsa
นี่ไงว่า
will
เขี
help
ยน
us
ที่เนี่ยเขียนไหม
spell the number words. Okay, now let's go to spell the number words. Okay, you have to
One.
spell.
ที่วันนั้นเดินภาษาอังกฤษ
One.
แบบว่า
Because I will ask you a
Two.
question of this.
T. Eight. P.
9,
Lesson first.
N-I-N-E. Nine.
Okay, follow.
10,
T-E-N. Ten.
Again. Okay.
11,
E-L-E-V-E-N. 11.
11. How to spell, okay?
12,
12. You have to practice,
18.
okay?
E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N.
I will
18.
let you, spell
19,
one by one, okay?
N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19.
20,
T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20.
20.
26.
TWENTY. SIX.
50. 1.
One.
FIFTY 50. ONE 1.
One.
G-H-T-Y. T-Y-80. S-I-X 6. 86.
86. Okay, very good.
98.
98.
N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. E-I-G-H-T 8. 98.
99.
N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. N-I-N-E 9. 99.
Yes.
100.
O-N-E 1. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100.
100. That is a very nice video, right? So you can, we need to look at the words a little bit fast and quick, the letters, so we can follow, right? You like it? So we are now in spelling.
ทำได้เปล่าทิชเชอร์บอกว่า word ที่ท่องไปเมื่อสักครู่
Because you are very good now in numbers from 1 up to 100.
จำได้เปล่า
Let's try to do spelling. Right? Okay. Papa, very good. You are following. Marine, very good. My boa, huh? What, Marine?
no 50
50. Okay, now let's go to this one. Let's go to spelling.
ทีนี้ทิเชอร์จะให้ท่องทีละตัวนะเอามามาเล่นกันอยู่เมื่อกี้
Some random
ไม่รู้นะ
letters numbers that you need to spell, okay?
น้องไม่โฟกัสนะไม่มีสมาธิกับการเรียนนะเอาละทิเชอร์จะให้ท่องทีละตัวนะว่าศัพท์จะมีอะไรบ้างนะมีอะไรบ้าง50มีอะไรบ้าง
50.
ตัวอะไร
Yes. Yes. F. F. I.
F
Yes.
G Y.
Yes. That is 50. Okay, 50. Very
โอไวโอ
good.
ไวนะ
And I want to hear from you, Marin. Spell 50. Marin. Yes. I. Okay, F-I-F-C-Y. 50. How about by Boa? By Boa? 50. Yes. S. Yes. I. Next. F. T. Y. Very good. 50. How about Pepsi? Can you spell 50, Pepsi?
ทีละเรียนหนังสือ
Pepsi, look at here.
ยาย
Spell 50,
ไม่ให้
Pepsi.
เราเที่ยวยายไม่ไป
Pepsi, you hear me?
ตั้งใจเรียนเดี๋ยว
Okay.
ถ่ายรูปไปให้พ่อกับแม่ดูนั่งดีๆ
F. Pepsi.
เอากิ๊บไปเนี่ยผม
Okay, but 50. Come on, Pepsi. F. Spell 50, Pepsi. F.
ได้ยินไหมบอกให้ไปเอากิ๊บไปเนี่ยผม
Pepsi. Open your mouth. F. I. 50. F. Okay, spell it. F. I. F. T. Y.
ก็ดูเอาว่ามันปกหน้าหรือเปล่า
Can you do it? No, 50. This one is number 50, right? This one is number 50. And we have here, look at here the spelling of 50. How you write 50 in words. Okay? So you need to spell this one. F. I. Okay, Gypsy. I. Okay. Okay, Gypsy, this is how you spell 50, okay? F, I, F, T, Y. 50. Okay? Okay, now let's go to Oi. I want to hear from you, Oi.
55.
No, 50. This one is number 50.
50.
Yeah, can you spell 50? F? Spell 50, Oi.
สเปล
50. F, I, F, T, Y. Okay?
สเปล
You're very good in you're very good the letters already, right? You can identify all the letters on the alphabet already, right?
SP
Okay, Pepsi. You can identify all the letters of the alphabet already, right? It's easy for it is easy. The spelling is easy if you can identify all the letters of the alphabet. Okay?
Teacher.
สเปลคือการสะกด
50, very good.
โอเคสเปลอย่าทัชชิเชอร์คำว่าสเปลว่าให้กดที
Who
ละ
is
ครั้ง
this? Can you show me the picture? The one that is Okay. Now let's go to the next. Let's go to this one. 80.
คืออะไรคืออะไรบอก teacher
Okay, what number is this? Number 80. Okay, how to spell 80?
อ่ะสะกด
Papa. Papa. Yes.
G
Yes.
H
Yes.
T
Yes.
เราก็ไม่ได้รู้ดิว่าอะไรมาก
Y
ไปเลยเนี่ย
T
เขียน
Papa. Now let's go to Marine. 80. Spell 80, Marine.
มิลินอ่านทีเนี้ยครูชี้ทีละตัวเนี่ยอ่าน
Marine, spell 80.
เดี๋ยวก็หยุดแล้ว
I. Next. H.
อีก10 นาทีสั้น
Then E. Okay, Y. E I J H T Y 80. Okay. Okay. Now I want to hear from you, Jepsy. Jepsy, can you spell 80?
E
Yes.
I
I.
E
Yes.
H
Yes.
T
Yes.
Y
Why? Okay, very good, Jepsy. Now let's go to Oi. Oi, where are you, Oi? I want to hear from you, Oi. Oi? Okay, spell 80, yes.
yes
Okay, spell it, Oi. Spelling, okay? Can you do it, Oi? E-I. Look at here the number words, Oi. Look at here the number words 80. One is 80, okay? Can you spell it?
I
Okay. G, okay? H, C,
Y
Y. Okay, very good. And now who else? Bible one. Bible one. Spell 80, okay? Spell the words 80.
E
I,
E
I, E,
H
yes,
T
yes. This one? Why?
Y
Yes. Yes, master. Just a minute. Huh?
มีคนมาคุยด้วยมีคนมาคุยด้วย
That's my student. Okay, so that is number 80, and that is how you spell 80 in words. Okay. So now let's go to this one. I will show you this one. Okay. So we are now in number words. Okay, you are very good already in numbers. Now let us check the number words. Okay, the spelling. If you are very good already. Okay, spelling. Okay, we will start to study the number words from 1 up to 100. Okay.
Okay.
We will study the spelling from 1 up to 100. Okay. Are you ready for the spelling, right? You're ready for the spelling, right? Because you are all very good already in numbers. Numbers from 1 up to 100. Okay, 3, you are already very good. You can identify easily. Now, let us check the number words. Okay? So you need to study the alphabet very well. So it's easy for you to do the spelling and to identify the letters, okay? Okay, now because we don't have too much time, I just want to start with one. With one first. Okay. Can you spell one?
Papa one จะกดอะไรบ้าง one
O N E.
Yes, very good. And how about Noreen? Can you do it, Noreen? Noreen, can you do it?
O N E one.
Yes, very good. How about my Bawa?
O N E.
One. Okay, one. You have to say. Okay, very good. How about Chepsy? Chepsy? Number one? One.
O N E one.
One, yes. How about Oi? Oi, I want to hear from you, Oi. Oh, Oi, where is Oi?
เขียน1ไว้2ไว้
Are you
สิ
still
จะได้
there,
รู้
Oi?
1 2
Okay.
เขียนเลข
Okay, so this is all the
เขียนมา
spelling, okay? Oi, are you still there,
ทาง
Oi?
เงิน
Okay, you need to study the spelling, okay?
ให้เขียนเนาะ
Spelling numbers, okay? You need to try to study because next time this will be our topic, okay? Spelling numbers. So we will still focus number from 1 up to 100, but this time we will go spelling numbers, okay? We need to study the spelling, okay, of each number, of each number words, okay? Number words. Okay, you need to start. Okay, Oi, come on, Oi. One more time, Oi. Spell one. Let us start with this one, Oi. Spell one, Oi. 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 One. Spell one. This one. This one. Yes. Spell O. Spell O-N-E. Yes, very good. So you need to study all the spelling already. We need to study and start studying the spelling, okay? Number words. We will go now to number words, okay? Okay, so you are all very smart, K3. So I am happy that you all cooperate and you answered all the questions. So next time, let's go to number words. Okay, so for our math, I want to end here now because our time is already up, and I'll see you in our science. Okay, I'll see you in our science. Yeah, okay, so bye bye for now. 1 p.m. I love
lunch
you.
time lunch time
Okay. What is it? I
อัน
have.
นี้เนี่ย
I want to say. I want to say. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I'll see you again 1 p.m. Okay, K3? Bye.
bye bye sure bye
Bye bye.
Okay, see you again 1 p.m.
okay bye ไปเตรียม